Hi, it's Kimberly. Here I have a piece of sandpaper, obviously. I have my green Derwent graphite that also has gesso on it, if you see the white on it. And so when I rub this side here on my, if you hear a moaning noise, that's our dog Oliver, on my paper, it doesn't want to really leave a mark. So I'm holding my phone with my other hand. Just take it and rub it on some 180 grit sandpaper, and then it'll want to leave a mark. You may have to rub it 3 or 4 times. Then you can always rub that against some paper and rub that green off onto the paper. But you can do this with any of your pastels or your charcoals. If you're a mixed media artist and you work with gesso and paint, specifically acrylic paint, with your other mediums, this would be an important thing for you to do in your studio practice. This is a little piece of new pastel. It's a harder soft pastel, and as you can see, it's got the gesso on it. So again, rub it on the sandpaper, and now it'll make a mark. I hope this helps. Ask me questions in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.